Hey, I have another video on how I cool off one of my bedrooms. This is my Zero desktop fan, and it's next to the window to get a little fresh air in here. I got it on top of one of my Roman style pillars, trying to get a little closer to the window. Working okay. And then up here we have the ceiling fan. I'm not sure what the brand is, but it's got brass and some kind of wood veneer. It looks like kind of like cherry wood. Looks pretty nice, but it's, once again, it was here when we bought the place, so I'm not sure exactly what brand it is. But as you can see, it's got some pretty nice shiny brass. I'll go ahead and fire that guy up. That's on high speed. There you have it. Ceiling fan paired with a vintage Zero. Thanks again for watching.